So let's say it's been a pretty long time since we've seen that guy Stilez Robertson race four-star racing. Obviously, his last post on Instagram was 7 weeks ago, and that's him talking about how he's finally getting back on the bike. And that little picture right there comes from Clinton Fowler on X. And it basically, well, it doesn't basically, it shows he changed his profile or his bio from race motorcycles for star racing to just race motorcycles. So the question becomes, is he not going to be racing for star racing in 2025? It's kind of one of those things that this sport is pretty bad when you consider about you sign 2 year contracts, and if you lose, like Styles has, 234 days and 5 surgeries that they quote from his Instagram post, you basically lose a whole year of your contract. You probably lose a lot of time. I mean, obviously you lose a lot of time, but it's one of those things that this sport is not about what you can give, it's what you have given. You know, really, it's what have you done for me, not what can you do for me. And it's, if you sign a 2 year contract and you spend half of it injured, you probably are going to lose that contract. I mean, look at Christian Craig, same exact thing. Wins a title, moves up to the 450s, gets a big contract, gets his big boy contract, and then gets injured. And well, he's no longer going to be racing for Husqvarna next year. So it would probably stand to suit that Styles might not be racing for Star Racing next year, especially with how many people they're employing. It's probably one of those monetary things. I mean, if you're employing 6, 7, 8, 9, 250 riders, it's a lot of parts, gas, mechanic time, and just travel, and who knows. But tell me, comments below. Have you heard anything? Do you know anything? Are you hooked into more than I am? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me if you think this is true or not, or whatever, if he just changed his bio, because who knows? It's fun and he can do whatever he wants on his Instagram, and who cares? But comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.